I think this weather is quite charming. Would you guys all agree?
Ooh.
It feels so good out there.
It really does. Even if we are picking up on maybe a stray raindrop or two, really making it feel like the month of September with a welcome sight of cooler and cloudier conditions returning to the Pacific Northwest. Beautiful live look and a tour here across our area. That's where the cloud coverage is widespread, and some of us picking up on a few active rain showers right now, primarily up in elevation, but a few pockets of sunshine there over downtown Portland as we sit at 70 degrees. And today, a great day to maybe fly a kite out towards the Oregon coastline. Seaside, having a lot of fun out there as we see those breaks in the clouds and a little bit of that sunshine as well. Helping to warm up temperatures in places like Tillamook to 72. Portland managing to hit the 70-degree mark, which still keeps us below the average of 78 for this 11th day of the month of September. 70 degrees, that's where we currently sit. Mostly cloudy skies, holding on to that cloud coverage for the rest of this evening as we do anticipate temperatures to start to slide back into the low 60s just after midnight. We've seen a good drink of water here, though, over the past several hours, taking us all the way back to the midnight time frame. Nearly a half inch for the coastal communities, a couple of 1/100ths of an inch to 1/4 of an inch found right here in the northern Willamette Valley. A few lightning strikes still being held on to out towards the east as a few splash and dash showers continue to push their way from the west to the east through the Willamette Valley. But our latest low pressure system sitting right over the Pendleton area as it continues to track its way to the north and east. But as far as the Portland, Vancouver metro area goes, picking up on some heavier rain showers now just exiting the Oregon City area and Interstate 205 as our potential for thunderstorms really kind of tapers off here out towards the west. For the east, that's where a marginal risk, primarily for Idaho and Montana, a 1 out of 5 chance to see severe thunderstorms still remains. That's with that frontal boundary. The culprit for cooling us down over the past several days continues to track its way to the north and east, leaving behind this cool pocket of air that's going to be keeping our temperatures below the average of that 78, not only into the weekend, but the start of next week as another trough dives its way further to the south. This will make it continue to feel like the fall season over the next several days. As far as the rain potential goes, we dry things out for Thursday into Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Not a washout, but another shot at maybe picking up on a raindrop or two. Here it is all timed out with our future cast. Those hit and miss showers take us through the rest of this evening, but leaning more towards the drier side of things. That starts us off on Thursday as the breakdown of the cloud coverage continues and the onshore flow still remains. So again, another great day in store for flying a kite out along the Oregon coast as we see that cloud coverage break apart for Friday. That in turn helping to warm us back up into the low to mid 70s. Rain accumulation, in addition to what we've already picked up on, just a couple of 1/100ths of an inch for the Willamette Valley, just about the same for the coastline. For the kiddos tomorrow morning, maybe pack the rain jacket. Won't be a necessity as we see those drier skies by the afternoon. Tonight here in the city, calm, quiet, and cloudy. Maybe a raindrop or two as we fall back to about 58 tomorrow. Climbing up into the low 70s, that still puts us below average, and we'll see that drying trend as we move our way into the afternoon. 7-day forecast. We dry things out for Friday, put those temperatures back into the low 70s for the weekend. Maybe a stray shower or two is a potential, but not a washout. Our next best chance to see widespread accumulative rain showers, that comes on Tuesday with a cool daytime high. Yeah, a daytime high of 68 degrees. And even those early morning lows falling back into the mid 50s, overall really making it feel like the fall season and the month of September.
I think that's your first 7-day fall forecast. Yeah. That's what it looks like this year.
I think so. I think we can kiss summer goodbye.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Oh, but not to you guys. Keep it here. Coming up. Yeah.